how are you? Today the discussing topic is about 220 kV GCB. What is the full form of the GCB? GCB is gas circuit breaker. Here today we discussed about the anti-pumping relay circuit and closed circuit of this GCB type circuit breaker. Here the positive is extending from here to here and is negative is extending from here to here. In between the parallel circuit is first is the anti-pumping circuit and second is the closed circuit. This anti-pumping circuit has three anti-pumping coil 52 CYR, 52 CYY and 52 CYB. This is for the red phase or red pole, this is for the Y phase or Y pole, and this is for the B phase or B pole purpose. Here the Q0 in the GIS system, Q0 is the indications or abbreviated from and for identifications of the circuit breaker. So Q0R for the red phase, Q0Y for the Y phase and Q0B for the B phase circuit breaker. Here KOIL, a contact is given here, and this is the normally open contact, NO contact. And this KOIL means interlocking. This is an interlocking. KO and IL is the interlocking coil are present in the diagram. In this not diagram, the another diagram, the KOIL, when this coil will be energized, then this contact will be NC. If this contact will be NC, then these three anti-pumping relay will be in function. And if these three anti-pumping relay will be in function, its NONC contact will change its positions, and according to its positions the circuit breaker act accordingly. Here also you are seeing KQ0 220 volt DC, KQ0 is from here. KQ0 is from the LCP and remote close control purpose, from LCP panel. Okay, and this is just extending from here to here and to this coil. If this coil will be energized, its according contacts will be energized, KQ0. Here if we are providing this coil, so this anti-pumping relay will be in function, not in function. First not in function, this coil will be energized. If this coil will be energized, this is the closing coil relay. This coil will be energized, and accordingly this coil just changing the contact of the position 52CX for R phase, 52CX for Y phase and 52CX for B phase. So if this coil will be energized, these three contact will be make. If this three contact will be make, the DC will be just going to the coil and the circuit breaker will be on. If the spring charge motor spring charge is completed, then this KLSBA, KLSBB and KLSBC three contact will be make normally close. If this contact will be normally closed, then the DC will come to the coil and the circuit breaker will be energized. This is the procedures when these functions will be completed. That means the circuit breaker will be on. Then this contact, these R pole contact, Y pole contact and B pole contact will be NC. If that will be NC, then this coil will get energized. If this coil will get energized, its according contacts, NONC contact will change together. these three NO contact will be NC, and here the three NC contact will be NO. If these three NC contact will be NO, that means this path is outing from providing the DC supply to the circuit breaker coil. So this is an interlocking, or also it's the added advantages or techniques for just cutting the path of the coil. If the coil will get the more voltage, then the coil may be burned out, or maybe any problem inside the coil. So this path will be cutted permanently when the circuit breaker will be on in positions. So it is the main function of the anti-pumping relay. For GCB type circuit breaker, this anti-pumping relay for the 3-pole and the 3-coil will just closing the circuit breaker and protecting the circuit breaker from over voltage or burnout. So friend, today we discussed about the anti-pumping relay circuits and also the control circuit of the GCB gas circuit breaker that is being used in the GIS substations. And this diagram is taking from because the GIS is the Toshiba make, so we are taking from the Toshiba diagram for anti-pumping and for the closing circuit. So friend, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updated technical video later on. Thank you very much for watching.